Fresh Cash Friday, Fresh Cash Friday. Day trading live this morning on YouTube, showing you guys my trades here in this video, making some serious profits for Fresh Cash Friday in the Topstep account. Gonna show you guys the trades and all that fun stuff right here in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. Get a break through the 50s again, short. Got my stop break even. Can we get a break through the 50s here? Possible reversal here though as well with a VWAP, but let's see if we can break through 50s and get a landslide down there below 50. 50s being tested here through the 50s now. Beautiful. Let's see 45s if we can get it, or 43s actually. Oh my gosh, we almost got tapped out there. Come on. Moving my stop to guarantee at least $700 in profit here at the 52s, but I'd like to see a little bit lower 42s possible. I'm gonna guarantee at least $1,000 in profit here at the 50s for my take profit, but I want to see if we can keep going lower below 50s, and stopped out for $1,000 in profit. Oh, I was like $1 away from getting filled down there. So after that move, we're gonna get long down here at the 50s, tight stop, see if we can get a push up here, 57s now after that bounce back. And can we bounce here off the 50s and stopped out there? Watching that, I still think we can push here. It's just she's dumping. I think we go into the 30s next, through the 40s possible. 30s there, looking for, I'm gonna say, let's go to the low being 36 here. 36 for the low will be my target. That pivot on the SPY at the 371.33. So thinking we can touch down there to the 40s, 39 level. Can we get 35s here or lower? Hey, if you enjoy these live recaps, do me one big favor, leave a comment down below, hit that like button. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Subscribe now. I'm gonna move my stop to basically like the high of these candles right here, so we lock in at least $300 basically. But would like to see this continue lower, obviously as well. I said obviously a few times there. 42s acting as support here, and looks like a possible reversal back up above the 50s here. Getting this reversal here. Let's see if we can get this move up above the 50s now. Getting long there at the 44s. Moving my stop break even basically. And looking for a push up above the 50s here. Maybe go a little bit higher on that actually. Let me go 53s, 50, yeah, 52 50s. Pushing up there to the 50s now. We got the VWAP at the, pretty much at this level here. So we get a push up here, 52s. 52 push, 52 push, come on. 52.50, almost getting filled here. I'm gonna move this up to 53s now actually. Be a little bit more greedy. 52.25 getting touched. Can we go all the way to 53s here? Looking like 55s is doable. There we go, getting filled, beautiful. You guys saw pretty much, you know, this worked out. We got covered on that short. We got long from the 44s. Take profit up there at the 53s. When the market didn't want to go down anymore, okay, what are we going to do? We're not going to fight it. We get stopped out for a small profit, and then we jump in long. Don't get caught up in being right. I think people, that's the biggest issue for people, is they get so focused on being right that instead of getting stopped out for a small profit, they hold. And then when the market starts to show that it's showing strength to push back up, instead of, you know, riding the momentum, they end up fighting it. So don't fight the trend. Don't fight the momentum there. Market pushing up, finding that resistance at the 21 EMA right now. Can she push through it all the way to the 70s on the Bookmap right now? Looking like 70s is possible here. Market trying to push through 62s here. Get through the 62s, try to push up there 70s next. Looking for this move up here. Break, stop at my 60s. See if we get this move up to the 70s or higher. Can we go 69s here? 68.50, come on. I'm gonna move this up a little bit. I think let me be a little bit more greedy here. See if we can push above 70s. There we go, up to the 70s now. Looking like we go 73s here. Getting filled 73s, beautiful. Let's fucking go, boys. Doing this all live on YouTube. If you guys haven't hit that like button, I don't know what you're waiting on. Come on. Let's go. Look at that. Literally hitting the fucking top of that move. So you're on the fence. You want to learn more about Topstep. You're not sure. Is it for you? You can do a free 2-week trial with Topstep. There's a link down below. You can sign up for the Combine 20% discount. Once you're in a funded account, you keep 90% of your profits. Let's go. $2,500 on the day. You can see we weren't even, the thing is, like, we had some losses today. We took some losses, but the big focus, once again, what's the big focus, my friends? Look at my largest winning trade, $1,500. My largest losing trade, $600. You know, keep those losers in check. Take your profits. You know, my average winning trade is $600 and almost $700. My average losing trade is $362. It's all about playing the odds, right? Playing the, if we can put in a higher low, in this area, and pushing through 70s here, looking like she wants to go through again. I'm gonna join in on this action, I think. Let's see if we can get this push up here above the 80s. Nice little squeeze up here. Got a terrible entry, actually. Kind of watching here. Oh gosh. Get through that 75 up to the 80s next here. There we go. Looking for 81s or higher here. Can we get through that? I'm gonna look for 84s, actually. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go. Looking for 83s or higher. We got the 85 resistance on the Bookmap right now. See, now the big focus is, now that we're green on the day, it's like, let's get some big winners. Let's put some big winners up on the board, you know? No point in taking small profits. Big winners only, baby. Big winners only. $1,000 or more only, baby. Moving my stop break even. We can't lose, so we might as well just let it fucking ride. Up there to the 81s, 82s. Can we go 83s here? Look at 85s possible, so I'm looking for 83, 75. I'm gonna move my stop right here to 76. We're guaranteed at least $450 in profit, but we'd like to see a little bit more. Get that push above the 80 stronger here. Give me that 83. There we go. Come on, 83s. 83.75. 83.75. Oh, baby. Let's go. When you're good, you're fucking good, boys and girls. When you're good, you're good. That was right there at the pivot. We talked about this pivot earlier. We know those pivots are there. Look at this. Look at how this hit right to that pivot. So that's why I had my target right there at that pivot. Doesn't mean we can't go higher, but just kind of playing it that way. I mean, we've literally, I think we fucking killed it today. I mean, we've literally just absolutely crushed it today. We called the top here. We got that big move down. We bought the bottom. I mean, we literally crushed it. Get through this 84 level, go 89, 90s. Looking for this move up here to the 90s now. We're in the green already. Moving my stop up to guarantee at least we're break even on this. I want to see a push up to the 90s here though. Possibly higher. We'll see what happens when it gets closer to the 90s. Watching the Bookmap here. Oh gosh, come on. Might get stopped out. Stopped out, break even. It's totally fine. Kind of a double top there. Was hoping we were going to squeeze right through there, but it's all about protecting profits now. Adding on to profits, protecting profits. That's the goal, right? I'm going to try it again here. Let's try it one more time. Off the 84s. Try to get this push up above 90s. There we go, up there to the 90s now. Trying to push through the 90s. I'm going to move my target higher up. Let's say 94s. There we go, 93s now. Beautiful move. Let's see if we can go all the way. I want to go a little higher. We'll go 94 exact. Be greedy. Trying to hold here at the 90s right now. I like to see this 94 level. Oh, I want it. I want that 94 level. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, blow up that like button. Let's get 600 likes. Come on. This trade worked out beautifully because we literally got stopped out, break even, and then saw that we were kind of bouncing there, so we got in again. Now can we get 94s or higher here? 92s, 92s. And looking for 94s here. 93s touching. Oh my gosh, come on. 94s. 94s, 94s. There we go. Getting filled. Ding, 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 ding. You can see right here on the chart right now, we kind of pulled back to that 77 level, and guess what? We got the breakout there. We got the breakout over that high of that candle right there at the 81s, and then we squeeze up here to the 800 levels. So that's what we're looking for. Right now on the day, we're up $4,779. $4,779. If you guys have not hit that fucking like button, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit the subscribe button. Hit all the buttons down there. Let's go. Doing it all live right here on YouTube. So there it is, another day, another dollar, a great Friday here live on YouTube. If you're still watching, thanks for the support. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be live next Monday, 9:15 a.m. Got a lot of great content right here on the channel talking about my strategies and all that fun stuff when it comes to day trading. So don't be afraid to go do a little bit of browsing and learn more about day trading right here on the #1 day trading channel. I'll talk to you guys later on.